Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change or how to copy your loadout of your avatar in Call of Duty Mobile. So firstly, click the loadout button in the bottom of your screen. So as you can see, this is your avatar. So there are some number from 1 until 7. As you can see, the number 1 and number 3 different avatar, but you can make the number 3 same with the number 1 by easily copying it. So what you have need to do is click at the corner of your screen the copy button, click, so paste in number 3. As you can see, this is number 1 and this is number 3, or your third avatar is the same loadout, same M16 as your number 1, same pistol as a number 1. So thanks for today. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also hit thanks button below. Enjoy the game.